Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to split stems in MusicCreator AI, which is a complete AI music creation suite. So I'm logged into my MusicCreator AI account. You can check the link in the description section. You start by clicking Dashboard at the top, and here you'll see several features in the left side panel, and I'll be creating separate tutorials to cover these. I'll click on AI Stem Splitter, and you'll see these two options here. You can choose songs from within the app itself that you've generated, or upload one from your local drive, which is what I'm going to do. You can drag and drop your audio file here, or click on this Upload Audio File button, then navigate to your folder on your computer, choose your audio file, and then click on Open. So here is the imported audio file. Then click on Separate Stems, and then just give it a few minutes to do its thing. So this one was taking a bit too long, so I used another audio file, and it processed it within 5 minutes. So here is the processed audio file. You then need to click this button to expand it. This one has a few stems, as you can see. So let me scroll back up, and then I'll play the audio and adjust the controls so you can see and hear it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. Tall buildings take us higher. It's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're afternoon, we lay awake in bed. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
You can then use this button to download the audio. But that's pretty much it. If you'd like to get MusicCreator AI for a discounted price, please check the link in the description section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.